Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta macaroni. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of durum wheat semolina flour and half a cup of water. Having a good pasta maker or a sturdy rolling pin will make the process much smoother. Accurate measurements are key to achieving the perfect dough texture, so grab your measuring cups and spoons. Now, let's get our hands dirty and make the dough. In a large bowl, combine your semolina flour and water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a clean surface and knead it vigorously for 10 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic texture. Once kneaded, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender macaroni. With your rested dough, it's time to shape the macaroni. Divide the dough into smaller portions and roll each piece into a thin sheet, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, cut these sheets into small rectangles or squares. To get that classic ridged macaroni shape, gently roll each piece over a gnocchi board or the tines of a fork, applying light pressure. Finally, let's cook and enjoy our homemade macaroni. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh macaroni and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Remember, fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Drain the macaroni quickly and toss it immediately with your favorite sauce for a delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.